Every single dealership in America that is offering you a paint protection plan is doing it for one reason, and that's to line their pocketbooks. There is virtually no cost to the dealership for a paint protection product. They're all inferior, they don't last, and there's no follow-up from the salespeople or the sales staff to make sure that you are happy with it. So typically speaking, the finance manager is the person selling this stuff, and the salespeople will pitch it to you or plant the seed, as they like to say in the automotive industry, to let you know that that's coming up. And that's when you know you're gonna get pitched a paint protection plan. So this video right here, I found this on Facebook of a vendor talking to dealers saying, hey, this is the easiest paint protection, they call it a ceramic, it's not a ceramic, that you can put onto a car and make major profits. They even talk about how there's no chargebacks in their text of the post. And I can tell you right now, that if you are paying $700 for somebody in the service department or their detail department to put a product in a foam cannon and then spray it off with a garden hose, you know you're getting scammed. If you're looking for paint protection, the only way to do it is to use a third-party company outside of the dealership and to use ceramic coating. Nothing else out there works. If you can buy it on the open market, on Amazon, on a website, on a Facebook ad, it's pretty much junk out.